Understanding Fight Side by Side, a deep dive into English phrases. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the English language and unlock the secrets of its phrases and idioms. Today, we're exploring the powerful expression, fight side by side. Whether you're a language learner or just curious about English phrases, this video is for you. We'll break down its meaning, origins, and how you can use it in everyday conversations. So, let's get started. Fight side by side is a phrase that paints a vivid picture of unity, camaraderie, and mutual support. At its core, it refers to the act of standing together with someone and facing challenges or adversaries as a united front. It's not just about physical battles. This phrase can be applied to any situation where people work together towards a common goal or stand up against common challenges. The key element here is the sense of partnership and solidarity. The phrase, fight side by side, has its roots in military contexts, where soldiers would literally stand next to each other in battle, relying on each other's strength and support to face the enemy. Over time, its use expanded beyond the battlefield to describe any form of collaboration or shared struggle against difficulties, emphasizing the strength found in unity. In modern times, fight side by side is used in various contexts, from social and political movements to sports and business. Here are a few examples to illustrate its use. Social movements. People from all walks of life came together to fight side by side for equality and justice. Sports. The team fought side by side to clinch the championship, showing incredible teamwork. Business. Our departments need to fight side by side to overcome the challenges and reach our quarterly goals. This phrase can inspire and remind us of the power of working together towards a common purpose. Using fight side by side in your speech or writing can add a layer of emotional depth and solidarity. Here's how you can incorporate it. To inspire teamwork. In motivational speeches or team meetings, use the phrase to encourage unity and collective effort. In storytelling, when narrating stories or experiences, use it to highlight moments of cooperation and shared struggles. Social media and articles. When discussing collaborative efforts or movements, this phrase can add a powerful punch to your message. Remember, the context should always be appropriate for the phrase, ensuring it enhances your message rather than overshadowing it. We hope this exploration of fight side by side has been enlightening and will enrich your English communication. This phrase is a testament to the strength and resilience that come from unity and partnership. Whether you're engaging in a collaborative project, supporting a cause, or facing challenges with others, remember the power of fighting side by side. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insights into the fascinating world of English language and phrases. Keep learning, and see you in the next video.